Okay, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
I want pizza. She's doing tiptoe.
Go.
But she don't know how to say. I like it. I like
Okay.
it.
Hi guys, we're here at the dome. So the kids have we're having a dip and dine only. We didn't check in because there's school tomorrow. Medyo short break lang ito. So yeah, so we're gonna enjoy lang the rest of the day before going back to school. Bye. Go back.
Go back. Make 10 lap.
What?
10.
Go.
How do you
Kanina yung apple sa'yo yung dati.
Akin.
Sige, Bob. Sige. 10. Maganda pa yung stroke niya eh. Good. Okay, Bob. 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 Okay, hyperventilate. Hyperventilate.
Bubbles.
Okay.
Bubbles.
Like that. Okay.
This is strawberry.
And what's
This
yours?
is blueberry.
Yeah.
It's a spoon. Oh.
Oh. Yummy. Yeah.
It's so yummy.
We have chips. And mine is here.
Here. I want pizza.
Hi. Bakit against the light? Masyado naman against the light. Hi. Sizzling seafood. And mine is the bacon. Yummy. Put it to your plate.
What the hell?
They have pizza. Oh yeah. Thank you. Wow. What are you doing? Picture. Go there. Enjoying the remaining days, remaining hours. They have class tomorrow. Sem break is over. Daddy's editing. It's low tide. Oh, it's low tide. May dala sana kaming drone, pero kailangan ipaalam sa Kaap kasi medyo malapit kami sa airport. So, papayag naman daw for a few minutes, pero ayun, tinamad na ako, so hindi na lang. Kaya nandito yung drone eh. Wait. Dala namin yung drone, pero hindi kami makakapagpalipad. Are you happy? Why are you happy? You swim. Ayun na pala yung isa, oh. Balik-balik sila dito sa food nila. Ayan, naubos na nila. Oh. Okay, go.
Wait, wait.
Whoa, so nice. She can still do it. Yung isa, wala na. She can't swim na. Again. Margarita. Nabasa yung ano.
3 hours later.
Ayan, tapos na sila mag-swimming. Kain na, wait na for dinner. Ito yung isa. Oh. Hi! Sarap mag-swim.
Yeah.
Your skin is so smooth. But you're so itim.
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh, ayan. Daddy's still here editing. After namin, mag-wait na lang kami for dinner and then we will go home na. May kilikili.
Slice like Tito Bobby.
Yeah!
Slice like Tito Bobby.
Wow! So nice view.
Someone
Bye!
I
Picture
wish
tayo.
we should have done.
Here.
Someone's there.
Okay, so we're just waiting for our dinner.
I don't want to sleep here.
Oh, they want to sleep here but we can't because they have class tomorrow. Yeah, and then after that we will go home na after dinner. Bye! So beautiful here. The dome. Reception and the restaurant. The food is there na. Okay. Eat na. Wow. Pork belly.
Oh my.
We're going home. We're going home now. Ayan. So this is the dome at night. Ilaw-ilaw lang siya, mga kabana.
Pero ano Han,
Bye.
magandang ano, kasi ang mga
Okay, we're home. Look at the kids. Look.